Hello everyone, today's menu will be keto meatloaf. This hearty recipe comes together quickly. The longest part is waiting, but it's worth the wait. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. Here I have 5 garlic that I'm just going to mince it up. If you do not have fresh garlic, you can go ahead and just use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Either way, it's still gonna taste fantastic. I'm just going to set the garlic aside and then finely mince the red pepper. You can use green pepper if you like. I just prefer red because it's a little sweeter. I'm just showing you guys how small I chopped them. You can go bigger or go smaller, it's up to you. Here I have baby tomatoes that I'm just going to cut it in half. If you don't like it chunky like mine, you can go ahead and make them smaller. And if you do not have baby tomatoes, you can go ahead and use any other tomatoes like Roma or beefsteak. But with this dish, baby tomatoes goes perfectly with it. Here I'm just grating my onion. If you do not have a grater, you can go ahead and just chop your onions. Here I have 2 eggs. I'm just going to give it a nice whisk and then set it aside. Here I have 2 pounds of lean ground beef. I'm just going to add in the eggs along with the garlic and red bell pepper and also the grated onion, and then salt, Italian seasoning, cayenne pepper, and then here I have paprika, chili powder, and black pepper. I'm just going to give it all a nice mix to combine. And what do I always say? Your hands are your best kitchen tools, but make sure you wash your hands first. After it's all nicely combined with a parchment-lined loaf pan, dump the meat mixture and pat it firmly, pressing it down and as smoothly as you can all around. If you do not have a loaf pan, you can line a baking sheet with parchment paper and shape the meat mixture into an 8x4. While the meatloaf is cooking, I'm just going to make a side dish. And I add in some olive oil, some salt, black pepper, cayenne powder, and garlic powder. And then I'm just going to give it a nice toss to combine well. With my 2-quart casserole, I'm just going to spray some olive oil and then toss in the broccoli mixture. And then I'm just going to sprinkle on some cheese. Ooh, I love me some cheese. Comment down below, are you a cheese lover? Alright, now this is ready to go into the oven. The meatloaf has been cooking for 40 minutes. Now we're going to smear on some sugar-free ketchups all over the top. And then we're going to add the baby tomatoes right onto the middle. And then it goes back into the oven for another 20 to 25 minutes. Here is the end result of the keto meatloaf. I hope you will give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos. Bye!